Hello, I'm getting ready to work on a 2014 Silverado 1500 with a 5.3 liter V8. I have a bad tensioner pulley. Here's my new one. We're going to take the old one off. I'll show you how to do that. Get this new one on, and yeah. And I've said in my other videos I'm not good at editing, so I'm gonna try my best so you can see everything. So yeah, let's get started. Fix my camera here. There's what we're after right here. This piece here, it's got a bolt, a little socket wrench slot up there so you can relieve the tension. I'm gonna get rid of the air box here so I have more room. So let's see here. All right, pop up on up here and make some room here. All right, I am going to take this screw out. It's right here next to the air box. And then here's one up here by the throttle body. Also, there's these little plastic clips you can take loose. You squeeze downward, take that PVC hose off. Here's another one. Same deal. That one you have to push from the bottom up. Then you just twist a little bit. Don't do it too much or you'll break the hose. Kind of get your fingers up there around the throttle body to loosen it up. This one here, same deal. Kind of get your fingers behind the seal there. That one needs loosened up a little more. Takes a little bit of muscle to get it off sometimes. Get this one off. So I have just wiggle her back and forth. There's one. There's the other. Put that out of the way. Alright. Let's get back up in here. Alright. Right here, like I said, there's a little slot. Stick your wrench in there. Push down. Take your belt off the alternator. And if you want, just put her up here. Figure out a way to get her to stay so you're not having to deal with the whole figuring out how to put it back on. I just put it like that. Relieve the tension off. There's that. This one's got a lot of play. New one. No play. This one's got some play. Alright. I got the wrong size on my wrench. Let's get another and hop down here. Alright, 15mm socket. There we go. Now you'll need to keep the old bolt unless it came with a new one. Pop that out. Now there's this little circle. You got to put that back in its spot. It's kind of like a key. So make sure you get that in there, lined up and pushed in before you tighten down. Same deal. Line her up. There you go. Start tightening the nut. Little bolt. It will slide. Try to keep her pushed in while you're putting the bolt back in. I'm going to keep her a little loose so I can put this bilt back in there. There we go. There's that. Now we'll tighten her up. I'm not going to torque wrench it. I'm just going to give it snug and then one big pull right there. All right, same deal to get the belt back on. Take a big socket wrench, push down, let up. Make sure all your belts are on properly. Make sure nothing's just hanging off. You don't want to start the engine and have your belt flop off. Have some serious issues. So yeah, you can pull on her a little bit, see if she's all good to go. Looks like it to me. Alright, now we start putting our air box back on. I'm going to readjust the camera so you can see. Reverse the process. Slide this up on there. Need to loosen this up. Okay. There we go. This one on. Just even there. Loosen this up some more. Guess I didn't give it enough. There we go. That went on a lot easier. Line her up. I'm gonna put these on so that I can make sure I got it even here. There we go. There's one. And two. Now, tighten those down. Make sure you have that up a little bit so it lines up with the throttle body. Start tightening this. Get it snug, and then give her a nice tighten more. There's one. Same deal, make sure she's all the way on. And tight. And there you have it. I'll start up the truck and we'll see how it sounds and go from there. And that should be the end of the video. Let me get my keys. Here we go. Sounds a whole lot better. And there you have it. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like button. Help support me in making more videos. All right. Have a good one, everyone.